Hi everyone, I just wanted to share with you guys a little birthday haul. So these will be gifts for my son. They are from Walmart, Ross, and Hobby Lobby. So let's take a look. Starting off with Walmart, he loves to color, so we got him a coloring book. Next up is this ship. My son really likes he likes things he can put stuff in. So we have like a little fire station he plays with. He's always like putting his toys in there, so I thought this would be perfect. I think he would like it. And my husband really liked the way this one looked over the other ones they had. He loves dinosaurs, and this is from Hobby Lobby now. And he loves dinosaurs, and I think this would be cute for him to be able to paint his little dinosaur cars. And my husband picked this one out, as well as the next one. Next is this DIY chalk activity. He really loves Ninja Turtles, so I think he's gonna love this. I like that it comes with like a little notepad. I think that's cool. And my husband says he's a little young to have a wallet, but I don't think he is. Picked out this dinosaur one. My son is into Snoopy. For the last 2 weeks, he's been loving Snoopy. So here's a little plushie of Snoopy. I think it's so cute. I spotted this on our way out. On our way into Hobby Lobby, we saw this. My husband said, look, because I wanted to purchase one online that was $35. And I really wanted a piggy bank for him. So I was like, this is a good way to start off looking for gifts for him, because I love it. And it was only like 20 bucks. So it was such a good score. From Ross, we got him this. He does like superheroes also. So we thought he might want to play with this. And then he really does like Minecraft. And again, he likes the Hulk. So we got him 2 cups. And then we thought this would be cute since he does like Minecrafts. We got him this. Here's everything we picked out for James as little gifts for his birthday. I think he's gonna love it all. Let me know if your guys' kids like any of these characters. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.